The evolution of libraries is deeply intertwined with the history of human civilization. In the earliest stages, knowledge was preserved and shared through oral traditions, where storytelling, teaching, and discussion were the primary methods of passing information between generations. As human society grew, oral transmission eventually became insufficient. This led to the development of written records, with knowledge being documented on various materials including clay tablets, papyrus, palm leaves, parchment, and manuscripts. During the medieval period, libraries were primarily housed within monasteries and religious institutions. Monks and scholars painstakingly copied texts by hand to preserve religious and scholarly works, keeping these collections relatively small and limited to a select group of people. A major turning point arrived in the 15th century with Johannes Gutenberg's invention of the printing press. This breakthrough allowed for the mass production of books, significantly increasing the accessibility of information and causing libraries to expand in both size and importance. In the modern era, libraries evolved into essential educational and social institutions. They diversified into public, academic, and special libraries to meet varied needs, while adopting systematic methods for classification and cataloging to better organize their collections. Today, in our digital age, libraries provide instant access to electronic resources, databases, and the internet. Their focus remains on facilitating education, research, and lifelong learning, reflecting our ongoing commitment to preserving and sharing knowledge for future generations. This video utilized various historical images to illustrate the evolution of libraries. Sources for these images are provided here for reference.